Similarly, powder is also applied for any surface to make it smoothen. For example, if powder is applied on the carom board before playing the carom, it will make the surface smoother and the striker will have a lots of movement. Wax and grease, they are also useful to reduce the friction. Greasing on any moving parts of the engine makes it ready and fine. Here we are having one activity to observe the effect of greasing on a surface. We have to take 2 steel glasses, a water, small amount of water, face cream or a petroleum jelly. You have to grease the glass from the outside by applying the cream, and then you have to wash your hand and dry them. After that, you have to lift up the first glass that does not have any cream. While after lifting up that, you have to then try lifting the glass that is greased. What you will find, the glass which is not having cream is easier to hold, whereas the glass which is having the cream is slippery and does not hold. So the cream, it is reducing the friction between your finger and the glass, hence it is very slippery. So this activity proves the same. Can this friction be useful in our day-to-day life? Yes, it is useful. How? First, friction between the soles of our shoes and the ground makes it possible for us to walk. Otherwise, we would not walk, and after walking, we would not be able to slow down our speed or stop. The friction between the pencil and the paper help us to write. Otherwise, we would not be able to write. The friction between the eraser and the paper helps us to rub anything. Otherwise, rubbing would not be possible. Friction between the tire of the vehicle and the roads help us to have a grip on the vehicle, that is, help us to slow down the speed of the vehicle whenever we want or stop the vehicle whenever we want. As per our wish, we can ride any vehicle, we can drive any vehicle, that is due to friction force. अगर फ्रिक्शन फोर्स नहीं होता तो आप जो है व्हीकल को ना तो स्टॉप कर पाते ना तो आप उसको स्लो कर पाते, वो अपनी स्पीड से ऐसा कैसा ही चलता रहता, फिर क्या होता, डेंजरस एक्सीडेंट, व्हाट एल्स. नेक्स्ट, it also helps us to stop moving the vehicle by applying the brakes, as I told. Last, it helps us to light the matchstick. Otherwise, burning anything would not be possible. This friction force is also having the harmful effects. What are these? First, it is causing a lot of difficulty in sliding a heavy box. Second, it is causing wear and tear over the surfaces like pencil and paper, chalk and board, etc. It gives rise to unwanted heat. Thus, for the vehicles, you have to use coolant to reduce this heat. Then some vehicles has to compulsorily be made like streamlined shape like aeroplanes. Otherwise, they would require a lot of fuel to run. Fishes and birds also, their bodies have a streamlined shape. अगर उनकी बॉडी का स्ट्रीमलाइन शेप नहीं होता है तो वो आसानी से फ्लाई नहीं कर पाते और मूव नहीं कर पाते. So these are the harmful effects of the friction. So students, here we have completed our chapter. We would continue in the next lecture. Till then, keep studying science. Thank you.